Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your brake pads. So I'm gonna show you step by step, and as you can see, I'm gonna use this Bosch quiet cast brake pad for my 2015 Toyota Corolla, and I do recommend this brand because I've been using this for a long time now, and it does really good. No brake dust, and the stopping power is really good, and no squeaking or any unnecessary noise. It's really good product, and it even lasts longer than the OEM Toyota Advix brake pads. So okay guys, let's uh, remove the tire, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. So tire is off our way, and I'll show you the brake pads. So as you can see, it's literally done. It's the right time to replace them. Actually, it has to be replaced before, but in order to remove the brake pads, so we need to remove this 14 mm nut here, and we can just lift the caliper and remove it right here. I just do this procedure because I want to remove and check this pins over here and the bottom one, if it's still movable and really flexible. So the caliper, it moves when we brake, it moves left to right all the way. And this Bosch kit, it comes with this synthetic brake component lubricant, and we gotta lubricate, wipe the previous grease or dirt on it, and then just put this new lubricant. Okay guys, so we need this 14 mm wrench, and just put it like there, and I'm going the opposite way. There you go.
Thank you. I think we should say just like you.
So we'll just lift it up if it's a bit hard, but it starts moving. Okay, there you go. And as you can see, I feel it. It's a little, it's not moving. You see, it's a little freezed. So I'm gonna remove it all the way. Oh, there you go. There's no lubrication, and it starts rusting. It starts to rust. So we gotta remove it slowly. And okay, see, there's a little bit of grease there, and the rest is all dry. So we gotta grease it up. Our piston looks good. This bottom one it's good. Yeah, it's moving. We're going to put some grease as well. So okay, now we're going to remove the brake pads. Just like that. Okay, there you go. You see this crack? Oh, I'm changing it right on time. Oh, it's gone. You see the cracks? Luckily it didn't get my rotor. It's all good. So as you can see, I'll show you the new and the old one side by side. New one is all the way intact, and this one starts peeling off. Okay, so next step is we're going to remove this pin, or this kit does come with this new pins or the brake guides, but so just hold it like that, twist it and lift it up, and make sure you got the same style, and swipe up the dirt and just put it like that, or the opposite way, and okay, there you go. Just simple as that. And you gotta do the same thing on top, and one right here, and there's one more down there. So we're gonna remove this. Okay, and we're going to put a clip, this clip, on the new pad. So it also, this kit also comes with this clip, so for brake guides. So we're gonna install it on the new. So as you can see, I just clip it over the brake pad. It's easy, and this will go on top on each side. So this one go on the back area like that, and the one will go on front on top. Guys, I've installed all the caliper, I mean the brake pad guides on both of the sides. So now I'm gonna do is spray some WD-40 inside this pin boot, and I'm gonna sand this brake pin and put the new lubricant. So we'll just spray some WD-40 inside. Okay, same thing I'm gonna do here. This seems still good, no rust. So I'm gonna just wipe this and put the new grease. So this the pin. I'm going to put this I'll put some more. Okay, just hold on. So it's all greased up, and I'll just put it back. Okay, there's some WD-40 coming out. It's moving good now. Okay, so I'm going to sand this and do the same. So this is how it looks like after sanding. So now I'm gonna put some grease and just put it back. Okay. Just okay, there you go. Just wipe some. Make sure the rotors are clean. Okay, so just, oh, that's not good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back just like that. Now you can see it's moving all good. Okay, it's now smooth and all free. So now the tough part is when you put back the new pads, this rotor thing is all the way, I mean this piston is all the way out, so you need to push this piston all the way inside so you can fit this onto your new brake pads. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. Put the new brake pads. So I'm gonna put this one first. Okay, just like that. And this one, as you can see, this knob here will go all the way, I mean the opposite side, so just like this, and top just like that, and twist it, see that, and just push it. There you go, all lined up to your rotor. It's all good. Now we're gonna try to put this caliper on. Okay, it's still touching, it's not going because it touches the piston touch the rotor, I mean the brake pad. So we're gonna, always you can do is like put the previous brake pad just like that. Oh, sorry with the video. So as you can see, put the previous brake pad and just like that. Okay, now just pull your hammer and the piston will go all the way inside. Okay, now you see it's flat. It went all the way inside and the caliper slides in easily, just like that. Okay, so now you're gonna put back your 14 mm nut, and I don't see it. Okay, there you go. So just like that. As you can see, it's moving, so it means your pins are good, it's well lubricated. Sorry, my camera is moving as well, so okay, just tighten them up. Okay, there you go. It's all good, guys. So that's the way how to change your brake pads. Nice and simple. Just need a few tools, like tools to open your tire, and just this 14 mm wrench and some lubricant. That's it. And like a hammer or some pry bar or maybe a breaker bar, just to, you know, push the brake piston inside the caliper. So guys, after this, don't forget to pump your brake pedal for like 4 or 5 times, at least until when you feel like it's normal brake pedal and feels hard. Because right now it should be very soft because the brake piston is not touching the brake pads. And after that, just drive your car for like a 40 kilometers per hour and just apply certain stops just to brake in evenly the new brake pads. That's pretty it, and thank you very much for watching my videos. I'm gonna see you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.